Hey everybody, welcome back to another edition of Tall Stephen Paul, this time more yard work. I'm going to be working on the southeast corner of my backyard. So I'm going to be tearing up almost everything that's in there, replacing it with all kinds of stuff, as yet to be determined. So that's where we're going to start today. If you like my videos, please share, please leave comments, leave a like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. And thank you all very much for your support and for watching my videos. I appreciate it. All right, let's get to work. So I'm going to show you the before, and we're going to see how this turns out. This is going to take a few weeks at least. Take a look and see what we need to do now. Okay, so I was working on that, and then I just ended up redoing the whole walkway to get the nice edge. So I'm back here. So a couple things. This pea bush, I think it is, was actually pretty good. We had a really windy day and it just got knocked down. Now it's all flimsy and kind of dying, so I'm going to rip that one out. Also, lots of stones in there, which I'm not thrilled about, but there's a whole layer of stones underneath there that apparently just got covered up with dirt and stuff over the years. So I'm just going to take out a lot of the bigger stones and scrape out all the roots and different things that are there and just get it as clean as possible. And then I do need to put in the last section of border, which I did for the whole walkway. So I got one more that'll barely fit in there. I'll have to chip away at that rock a little bit. crazy. Finished the section, so I'm very excited and very happy. I love the way it turned out. I got rid of all the old cluttered mess and cleaned it out, added some flowers, got the fountain working. In the previous video I got the walkway and the edging done, so we're going to take a peek at the final product. I'll have a before and after so you can check it out. So here we go. Okay, so another project completely done. I think it turned out pretty nice. It looks much cleaner and neater. So I'm very happy about that. Glad you could join me. Thanks so much for watching. Please make sure you like, subscribe, share the video. Bye!